Hey everyone, welcome back to another solid shell security video. Okay, so with the recent zero-day exploits going around dealing with Java and Adobe, Acrobat, and Flash, this video is going to talk about using Firefox to stay more secure and protected. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and load up Firefox. Give me a second. I originally was using this to do some stuff. Okay, we're good. Making sure we can browse. We're not trying to go through a proxy. Okay. So what we've got here is we've got our web browser already installed. And what we want to do is we want to install a few plugins that will help protect us. We're just going to go to Google real quick and we're going to type in NoScript. Should be the first one, or you can just go to the add-ons site and we're going to click install. So it's going to take us to the add-on place. We're going to click allow. Downloading. Takes a couple of seconds. Click the install now and go ahead and reboot Firefox. So it's going to load the plugin in now, and here we go. It's going to pop up the welcome screen and everything, and as you can see, it's got the bottom down here installed. This is also the latest edition of Firefox, so if you don't have the latest edition, it might look a little different, but I recommend making sure you update Firefox. What you can do is you can go to help, and if you do the about Firefox, it'll check, and as you can see, we don't have the latest update, so it's going to go ahead and download the latest update first. So it's going to do it in the background. Real quickly though, I want to show you how this works. Let me think of a site that's not going to have this. Let's go to CNN.com just real quick. Okay, see at the bottom, it's showing it's currently blocking 42 scripts. As you can see, this is not loading, this is not loading. What it's doing is it's blocking Flash, it's blocking JavaScript, it's blocking Java, it's pretty much blocking any type of interactive script that is running in the background. Now, this can break a lot of stuff on a website, so what we have to do is we have to go to options. Here, click the options, and we can allow CNN all the time, or we can just temporarily allow CNN. CNN. So we're going to click that, and what it's going to do is it's going to allow the CNN scripts. As you can see, it's got one of the 8 different types being loaded. Now, typically, what's going to end up happening is you're probably going to have to end up going through, I don't exactly know which ones run those, but you'll probably have to end up going through a couple of them until you find out which ones work. Otherwise, you can just do temporary allow all this page if you just want to load all of them on this one page. But the next time you load Firefox, it's going to block it and it's not going to do it. So you can choose how you want to do it. As you can see, then once you did that, it pulled in other scripts which is blocking. So right now we're blocking Facebook.net, whatever that might be, who knows. But this offers safer browsing. So if you're browsing the web, you hit an unknown website, the scripts can't execute, they can't launch a zero-day and exploit and compromise your system because they're being blocked. Now, once you allow a script, then if it's got some malicious intent, then it has the ability to execute and run a payload and basically compromise your system. But as long as you're browsing, well done websites like CNN and other popular ones, you're pretty much safe. But this just allows you to, browse the web safer. We can mark certain things as untrusted, and they're never ever going to load. A lot of the stuff is pretty well by default good. Okay, we're going to go to another thing. This is another awesome script. I've actually already got it installed down here, which is Adblock. So we just type in Adblock. You can either go to this one, we can just go to the Mozilla add-ons or Firefox, and we can install it by clicking add to Firefox, allow. I'm going to go ahead and do the whole add-on here just to do it. And it's going to be the same little process. It's going to download, install it. It's going to ask us to install. Click install. and we don't have to reboot Firefox because we already got it installed. But down here is there's really nothing to configure on this thing. What it's doing is when you first load Firefox, it's going to ask you which library or URL you want to pull the updated scripts from, which basically allow it to block advertisements and ads. You can edit the preferences. This is the one I picked, so it's downloading the filters from this, and you can add other filters and subscriptions and stuff like that if you really want to get more advanced, but this typical default one is fine. Let me think. Let's go to what's the site that's probably got advertisements on. Let me just find like a news website real quick just to show this. But actually, NoScript's going to probably block them anyway. But let's just find I don't know, Fox News. Let's see what. Let me go ahead and just temporarily allow this entire page so the scripts run. I'm assuming probably Fox News has advertisements on it. But as you can see, there really are no advertisements, just their stuff. I wish I had a better website example, but basically what Adblock is doing is it's blocking all types of advertisements, so you're not going to see any type of advertisements. Actually, let me try something. They have advertisements, I just don't know if they're okay, they're blocked, because typically there'd be like an advertisement there, and just to double check here, I'm gonna temporarily allow all the scripts on this page and see if it works. I don't know if they're running like a custom. Okay, it worked. So basically there's typically an ad here, a flash little thing up here, but thanks to Adblock, they're completely blocked. I'm just going to do this a double check here real quick just to confirm, and basically every script is practically running. Okay, I want to temporarily allow this one too. Okay, so every script is now running and there is no advertisements at all on this page. So basically Adblock offers an additional layer of protection. So if you start allowing scripts on a website, you do not have to worry about the advertisements coming up and slowing the site down or launching an exploit through them. So basically running those two plugins are going to give you a lot of additional protection. So I would highly recommend running both of those to stay extra secure. There's a bunch of other add-ons that you can get for additional privacy, security, and stuff like that, but those are the two main ones that are going to help protect you against these unknown exploits, and I just want to get that out. So hopefully this video explained how to do all that step by step with Firefox and how to stay secure and how to set it up. That's pretty much how it is. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe and send it off to your friends, and help them stay secure, because we highly recommend using Firefox with those add-ons to stay extra safe and secure. So have a great day, guys.